Starting a new business comes with various challenges, and one crucial aspect is establishing and building business credit. A solid business credit profile not only helps in securing financing, but also enhances credibility with suppliers and partners. In this guide, we'll explore the step-by-step process of building business credit for your new venture. 1. Separate personal and business finances. Begin by separating your personal and business finances. Open a dedicated business bank account and obtain a separate business credit card. This not only helps in tracking business expenses efficiently, but also establishes a clear distinction between personal and business credit. 2. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique 9-digit number serves as the business equivalent of a Social Security number and is essential for establishing business credit. It also helps in preventing the use of your personal Social Security number for business transactions. 3. Register your business. Ensure your business is properly registered with the relevant authorities. This step includes obtaining all required licenses and permits. A registered and compliant business is viewed more favorably by credit reporting agencies and potential lenders. 4. Open a business credit file. Contact business credit bureaus such as Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax to establish a business credit file. These agencies collect and maintain credit information on businesses. Start by obtaining a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet, as many lenders and suppliers use this unique identifier when assessing your business creditworthiness. 5. Establish vendor credit. Begin building credit by working with vendors who report to credit bureaus. Many suppliers offer trade credit, allowing you to purchase goods or services and pay for them at a later date. Ensure that these vendors report your payment history to business credit bureaus, contributing positively to your credit profile. 6. Obtain a business credit card. Apply for a business credit card in the name of your company. Use it responsibly, making timely payments, and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio. A business credit card is a valuable tool for building credit and can also provide a convenient way to manage expenses. 7. Secure a small business loan. Explore small business loans from banks, credit unions, or online lenders. A well-managed business loan, repaid on time, can significantly boost your business credit score. Start with smaller loan amounts, and as your credit history improves, you can qualify for larger loans with more favorable terms. 8. Monitor your business credit report. Regularly monitor your business credit report to identify any errors or discrepancies. Promptly address any inaccuracies to ensure an accurate representation of your creditworthiness. Monitoring your report also allows you to track your progress and make informed decisions to improve your credit profile further. 9. Build a strong payment history. Consistently making on-time payments is crucial for building strong business credit. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score and may make it more challenging to secure favorable financing terms. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. 10. Establish a line of credit with suppliers. As your business grows, work towards establishing a line of credit with key suppliers. This involves negotiating terms that allow you to pay for goods or services after a set period, creating a positive payment history that contributes to your business credit score. Conclusion. Building business credit is a gradual process that requires diligence and strategic financial management. By following these steps, you can establish a solid credit profile for your new business, paving the way for better financing opportunities, increased credibility, and long-term success. Regularly assess and adjust your credit-building strategies as your business evolves, ensuring a robust financial foundation for sustained growth and prosperity.